Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends, and on the mix we have Dwayne. Now Dwayne is out and he's speaking on this. Go ahead and go catch the video to see what he has to say. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, I wish you love, joy, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your beautiful birthday. And for all my other lovelies out there that are just watching, supporting, my friends, go ahead and have yourself a great day today. And remember to keep that beautiful smile upon your face because no one else is able to take it from your face unless you give them the power to. And guys, remember, we have one life to live, so live, laugh, and love. Have a wonderful day now.
When I ask me, I tell me, must lose. And that's on God to you must lose than you must lose. Yo, boy, I got caught. Caught. My people here caught are afraid. Go sit down. Go sit their ass down too. I probably that they want for true. I probably that they want for true.
My welfare check. My food
coming.
stamp and my goodwill close. Hey! When you get? First of all, I get two little pussy, can't get them. So where you going to get? Huh? What are we take American Papi Show? You can't even sue nobody at Jamaica. Much less to come to America for something. Eh? Lord on his mercy. Me laugh at today, huh? Me wonder if the cake them when she have bake around the junk car. Eh?
That a big mascot. I'm gonna show you people are playing how that is a big mascot. Dana, pause. Dana, I'm come for gun chat. Dana, I'm come for gun chat. More chat. Dana, you is a big mascot. You know why you say it's a big mascot? Because Shibada in the same country in a Shibada Keith Ramsey. And all of you know say it's not lying. It's the one I want to know say it's not lying. Shibada Keith Ramsey come out and say that a thief. How much time after time after time? How could you not sue him? That is an idiot. He's a fool. He's a cuss you. You like people cuss you, you like people cuss you. Go sit down. You don't get no cuss out here. Go sue Shibada first. Go sue Shibada for before you walk up people are firing. Go sue Ashanti too. Start this, start this up. Boy, oh you forgive. You see I'm all big. Hey, me go on myself, you know. But you know, because God is trying to change me, I'm not making carry me there, Dada. Dada, I'm not making it bring me there, because this is what you want. This is what you want. You want to provoke people to wrath with your old suing lingo. Go sue Shibada first. Go sue Keith Shibada Ramsey first. Go sue Ashanti 360 first. Go sue all the people that you make call you thief first. Or you want to come focus on five, you see it? Let me go sit down. Go sit down. And then you go follow us. Or the stop me still and take on and turn that damn idiot. Tell her to go sue Shibada Keith Ramsey first. We call her thief. And say, oh, she a wash money. Go sue Shibada first, Dana. Shibada first. Ship first. No. And sue Ashanti second. You understand, Dana? Or you want to cover people who did less to you. Your family, your people. And then you want to come for. This is the idiot. He's a damn fool. He's a damn idiot. He's a damn mascot. He's a damn tufenke. He's a damn buffoon. He's a damn clown. He's a damn circus. You know what I say? I like your own circus. Your own circus show. You are on circus show. You don't know you are on circus show. And you take the people them and tell me I'm big circus. I'm big public show. Go sue Porty first. What call you scammer?
So come up there, come sue me.
Pass, Curly, I don't already fear it. Pass, Curly, I don't already fear it. Attacking, Curly. I will spank you. Attacking. Make a talk. Dana, go sue Porty. Go sue Keith Shibata Ramsey second and Porty first. Because Porty at the first say a scammer. Shibata come out there and bust the bay one time and say a thief. Or you know what tap? You see, hey lady, you love to provoke people to rap. You see you know what I say? You didn't have a beautiful spirit over you. You didn't have a beautiful spirit over you. And then you're turning on one damn demons. You don't see it. You don't see it, Dada. I know they say the nice talk, you know, when I talk to you in our work. Say what? Let me just go racha. Let me go racha done. I don't like, I don't love racha chattings. No, I don't like racha chattings. So let's just have a racha segment. Dana, these are the people you must sue first. Porty, Shibata, and Ashanti. Start right there, so. But you want to forgive. Forgive which part? Oh, forgive coming at this. How does forgive coming at this? You see how tired are foreign people are foreign you want to have trend for. People are foreign you want to have trend for. You look at damn idiot them. You damn fool them. When you want to have trend, people are foreign. You see how tired. You see how tired. You see how bitter. When it's too bitter. For grown people, it's too bitter. Way too bitter. Where is all of this getting? Where can I get to know? How is it benefiting the life? Nana, why you come out here and come talk about you don't want an apology? Who give you an apology? Nana, who gave you an apology because you don't want an apology? You're with a big mouth. I don't want an apology from Nana. Who gave you apology? Nana, who gave you apology? Did Curly apologize to you? Did Tina apologize to you? Anything I said to you lately, have I apologized to you? Has Lorraine apologized to you? Has Michelle apologized? Who has apologized to you? Dana, who apologized to you, Dana? You don't want no apology. You don't want no apology. I don't want to say you can't kill the motor. I don't want no apology. I'm more dry to brown dog. I'm a sling gun. You don't want no apology. Who gave you apology? Thanks. How go the boss apology? Thanks. Who gave Donna apology? I ask you, who gave Donna apology out here? Did anyone extend an apology to Donna? Donna, who gave apology? Come talk. I want to know who extended an apology to you. Donna, come man, come. You come and say with that type like you got woman, man. Come and talk. Who gave apology? Who gave you apology yesterday or whenever? Who gave you an apology? You're coming out with all your elbows tied like a damn Obe woman. I got Obe shop. Who gave you apology? I just don't like no, or the don't like peace. That I don't like peace neither. Me not easy for that. I can be myself. On the don't like peace, on the don't like peace. You people, you don't like peace. On the love to push fire. Especially that Dana, right? That is, you see it on the demons. You don't see it. That you don't see it on the demons. That you don't see. So lately you turn one demon. You have a change name from Dana. Take off the O-N-N-A and add D-E-M-O-N. And take out the O-N-N-A and add E-M-O-N. And that if you know that, and that if you know, because you have become a big waste of space by social media. All the fame where you have, all the fame where you have, all the clout where you have, it now put you nowhere. Nowhere. You're not going nowhere. You come back, I don't want to lose a pager. That is, you don't see it. All the clout you have, all the fame where you have, you're still miserable. You're miserable plus top. That's it, you love to make people life a misery. You and your little dogs them, you and your millions them, on the love to make people lives a misery. On the don't like peace. Una don't like peace. That thing called peace. It is a beautiful thing. And una don't like it. Una don't like peace. Una love to push fire. Una love to push war. Una love to put contention and strife. And that's what I love to do. Especially you, Dana. Because no one gave you no apology. And no one asked you, no one asked you about no court. And you come out with your big mouth. Because you're more big for true. Your big blood clot mouth. And you come out come leg of that out here. Like nobody came to one got a court. Who came to one got court? Who came to one got court? My pressure good, girl. My pressure good. Who came to one nobody got court? Who asked her about the courthouse? Who asked her? And then she come to contact you. Because she knows who love mix up with her big mouth. I don't care. You people can sit back and have done oppress people. Done a lot to oppress people. My post I put out today. My post what I put out today. My post hold on there. My post today. My post said. It said, one's dignity may be assaulted, vandalized, and cruelly mocked, but it can never be taken away unless it is surrendered. If you are neutral in situations of injustice, you have chosen the side of the oppressor, and you people every day on come out here on oppress people's lives. Every day. Then I go and I people them on oppress people's lives. When I don't realize, when I don't realize what they're doing, when it is the oppressors out here. The instigators is honor, not over there, sir, or over there, sir. Honor is oppressing people and coming out to instigating war every day. Every day on the instigate war in this. Now, but that's that. Every day, come instigate war and strife in this woman's name, and sit back because she's a damn get her rat and get her hooligan. She sits back and watch Uno orchestrate our nonsense. I don't care. It's true. There you go. Go give your life to God. You become a damn demon. You become a pussy-clat demon. You have become a demon's donor. I don't care. I am tired of you and on an onslaught on people's lives. Well, it's not you. Well, really you. It's Ashanti in your name. It's Stacy in your name. It's Majesty. It's the one on YouTube. How many of them on YouTube? How many of them on YouTube is doing this in your name, Donna? Your name. And you sit back and think you're doing something. Listen, all the fame you have, it won't last. It don't worth. It don't worth the people. It don't worth nothing at all anymore. The fame don't worth nothing at all no more. I don't care. Or if you fucking hate me, because of the truth. That fame don't worth nothing no more. That fame has watered down like one dirty bungle. Yes. I'll tell her I say that. Our fame has watered down like one dirty bungle. Not she, our fame. So, I'm going to say, I'm over here, cuss her. Her fame has watered down like some dirty bungle because she sits back every day, and hear people degrading and dragging people in and in the truck. Oh, she's going to sue. Go sue Ashanti first. She want to find her way to God. Go find her way back to God. And that she need to do. Come here, Curly, you talk.
Yeah, then the stagnant cussing at me the America nothing now go on. That SCM judge there might have come right out of the ghetto.
Right.
Back, most of them judges on the panel them coming from a mighty long way, honey, if you reach this up. So the judge are like for your class of America, the same one where you want to come and come live. So the same judge Mattis was a criminal. So Judge Mattis, Judge Mattis reached us upon something. He was a drugs dealer up on road. So you can stay there like say, you know, about a fear mode where you class up people pitney. Discrimination and call me a kind of yai problem and a kind of yai nothing. A discrimination that. So if you come try me waiting because I want to dress up in some nice clothes and go up on the seat, go sit down. Because this will be one piece of puppy show. And that will get me a whole heap of likes and share our page. Come, me ready long time, put on one pretty suit and spike heel boot and tape right in there. Come, me ready like a Freddy. Me have whole heap of clothes and spike heel boot and wait. Me have one nice black pants from, how you call it? From this expensive store, lady. And me have one nice shirt and put on a jacket and a nice long 6-inch heel boot, man. I'm a fake piece of Gucci bag. I walk into that courthouse, I defend myself. I not even want a ass liar.
It's that laughable. It's actually this laughable. It's this laughable. That's your joke.
I would love to hear how your class me hope about the country I live in and how long I live here. The judge would love to.
Curly, not just that, Curly. Curly, remember. Ashanti come out here and say, me and you send GUN man to go to analyze Donna, and she take to her YouTube and amplified that whole conversation and say, you, especially you, can't come back to Jamaica, then I go sit your blood clot down. You're doing too much out here. Go join one. Nah, but I said that.
They would love to hear it.
I know, but I said that.
You sure you are going to sue me and put bastard? Me not think so. This is one intelligent girl over chat. You sure? Me tell you something, lady. You look like you only talk for contents. Donna, you look like you talk for contents. Because me tell you the attitude, you're too much. You're too much. Cause me don't know. Me don't know something wrong with you.
No, girl, I'm still fine. I'm fine. I'm just a little bit passionate, that's all. But if I tell her, she's doing too much. Too much.
Fear give you money. If you carry the courthouse. Because I know you know say are the people that you depend on to be a liar. Them really and truly to go carry people. And the amount of sin thing when people do me on social media and we go all the way down to the FBI. Police station to go complain with them.
Funny.
Freedom of speech. The police only tell me say them can't nothing to them unless them coming up to my face and lick me. You crazy? If somebody come cuss you and tell us you're big, fat and sour, ugly and all this sort of something definition. What kind of character? You are a big star? Who are you? Not even big star in Hollywood can carry nobody for definition of character when they class them up. Anybody forgot carry anybody a definition of character Donald Trump. You know the amount of classing and this that, and name calling where Donald Trump get? Put Donald Trump in a all kind of face and this and that, and Donald Trump still around the president of the United States.
Yolanda, well said, Yolanda, well said, Yolanda, girl.
When you get in, nobody can go to jail for defamation of character. What you going to get in? What is it you're going to get?
That's the way I will get.
Going to go to judge.
What you going to get?
And the judge will throw it out when them hear you.
He's a damn fool. He's a damn clown. People. Pause. You don't say sit. You see that Donna? Donna has allowed people to boost her. And every time she come out here, she make herself look like a big mascot. A big mascot. And Donna, God, you have become a big puppet show out here. Because even if you got caught, you're going to lose. You are going to lose, Donna, God. You're going to lose. Because there's evidence out here where you two